How to change specific app icon size on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change specific app icon size on Android phone. First, then open Play Store and then type here icon changer and select this one and then download it. Now just open it and now just select any app you want, like this one here, camera. And as you see here, you can change the app icon. And if you want to change app icon size, just you can manage this one here and then just click this one here in the top corner and click add, and here we'll find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.